Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 17th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty has been ultimate mover yesterday. So SGX Nifty crossed the level of all-time high it has ever squared, and at the level of 11,841 with 2.5 points up move today. And US markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. 67.89 points up on Dow Jones and 24 points up on Nasdaq and 1.48 points up on S&P 8000. This is the highest level where Nasdaq has ever been. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open positive in today's session. And let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Indian market has crossed the all-time high, that is 11,760, which is the all-time ever the market has gone up to. Next level is 12,300. Keep that in mind. That's the projection. That's the level where we can see that the market can go up to as of now. So as of now, what are the resistances? There are nil, there are none, because market can go upwards how much ever it wants. 11,900, 12,000, it does not matter. Okay, the market can go up as much as possible at all-time high as of now. So the market can go very high from here till 12,300, which is my support, or which is my level of the market can reach in probably another 3 to 6 months. That's what is the level where it can reach. So as of now, what are the supports? Multiple supports. The first level is 11,760 itself, 11,733 levels, 11,714 levels, 11,700, 11,686 and 11,672 are the levels of support, and 11,610, 11,596 and 11,577 levels, and below that 11,539, 11,559, 11,548 and 11,500 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. Fast stochastic is at 93.36, which is in the overbought zone. So we may see some downturn is what fast stochastic is denoting, but MACD is showing at a negativity. So 135.33 and exponential is 146.09. So it is not showing that the market can go really up from here. So slow stochastic is at 81, which means that we are not in the overbought zone or oversold zone. We may go anywards upwards from here. So that's what the technical analysis is denoting for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. Next weekend I will be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, not weekly or monthly, daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.